Can you all hear me? Hello? Oh, okay, that's great. So let's continue. We'll start with dollar indices. Wow. And looking at dollar indices, I would love to say that I love to say that the US dollar is sitting on a very strong support resistance level, and on daily time frame, we could see this move, right? Market has not negate this move. So this might be showing continuations of sellers, right, on USDX here, right? So what are we expecting, right? We are having a strong rejection here. Oh, sorry, please. We're having a strong rejection here. So let's see. I would say that the US dollars will might continue its bearishness, and we might have this as a proper retracement 99.324 region, or we have market continue its sales around here. So looking at this level, I'm looking at the perfect rejection at 99.324 on 4 hours time frame, right? So we are still quite bullish, just like a retracement up to 99.324. That is that for dollar indices. And this sign is a sign that we might still continue our bullishness to 99.324. So having this at the back of our mind, let's look at some pairs and some market movement to know what we are going to do at the moment. So this is AUD USD. And AUD/USD has shown sign of bullishness. We have the last week, that's on Friday candle, was bullish, and it was an engulfing candle, which signifies much pressures for buyers at a very strong resistance zone. And we are having market at this level. So we have this high until probably we have market approach this high, 0.66361 region, before we have more sellers coming in. So this is a retracement. Like I said, AUD/USD is retracing, and we have a resistance, which is here, right? So let's watch and see if this resistance is going to be broken, which is 0.65202 region, before we look towards what we are going to do. And we are having this bullish sentiment from here because of this support become resistance level, this zone, right? We are having this because of this zone. And we might literally have market push up to 0.65202 region. So that is that on AUD/USD. Let me see if we can take that by AUD/USD. Okay, yeah, we can take it 13 pips, 13, and we have 23 pips. Okay, so let's take a buy on AUD/USD instantly. Okay, AUD/USD, buy now. AUD/USD, buy now. AUD/USD. AUD/USD, buy now at zero. Okay, buy now. There's no at. SL, it's about SL 0.64922. 0 SL SL 0.64982, which is how many pips? 12 pips, right? Okay, so TP1 TP1 is 0.65 to 0.65210. This is about 15 pips. Let's see. We can take the buy instantly. 65260. 65. Then the next TP 0.65305. 65305. That is how many pips? Let's see, is about how many pips? Let's make it 30 pips. 65403. Okay, so I've dropped this signal on our 5x group. So I'm buying AUD USD. So if I'm buying AUD USD, then definitely Euro USD also we might quite be literally bullish on Euro USD, right? So Euro USD here. Here, I'm having a resistance, a support level around here. Okay, so I'm having a support zone around this level. Probably we can use the buy stop order because 4 hours time frame, everything is still pointing out to bullishness and all that. So let's see. Euro USD, I didn't have any entry, but AUD USD had an entry. USJPY, are we bearish? So daily time frame for USJPY shows that we are quite at this zone, right? And for 4 hours time frame, you can see how market rejected this level. And our next resistance is going to be here. 1 hour time frame for USJPY. So USDJPY, because there's a fair value gap here, we might literally look towards bullish sentiment for USJPY. Okay, so this across all JPY pairs. This across all JPY pairs. So I'll kind of be bullish if this current candle closes with a sound rejection. I will buy USD JPY. So my highs are on JPY pairs, right? And I drop a signal also on AUD USD. Okay, so let's see what will literally happen. It's just 12 pips, so it's not a big deal. Okay, so G card, looking at some pairs here. If you want us to analyze any pair, kindly let us know. For BTC, this is for BTC, right? Bitcoin. We have market from here. Okay, so Bitcoin has not broken the trend line here, and we are tending to look at some resistance zone at this level, right? So we could have a retest where BTC continue its upward movement because at a daily time frame, this is showing a strong bullish sentiment on daily time frame. It's showing a strong bullish sentiment on daily time frame. So I am still quite bullish on BTC, right? I'm quite bullish on BTC. Hopefully BTC can get to 120,000 probably in few moments. But then this zone has to be broken. This 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 zone has to be broken before we have any reasonable entry because it's a fair value gap here and market needs to take it out before we decide if we are to buy or we are to sell. So we also be patient because I've not seen any other entry. I've not seen much entry here. If I'm to trade BTC on a lower time frame, I would rather look towards selling than buying, right? Because of this small market movement and market formation. And this is also showing signs of sellers. This is also showing signs of sellers and all that. So for BTC USD, hopefully we can use the sell stop order, sell stop, okay, sell stop order at here. Then our first TP will be here. Let me take it to 5 minutes to see. Or we can take an instant sell on BTC, sell stop. CP1, CP2. Okay, so let's look at our AUD/USD. Okay, AUD/USD is still showing some signs of bearish. Let's see. Okay. BTC. BTC USD, I think we are bearish on BTC USD. You can take a short sell on BTC USD or use a sell stop. It's apply proper risk. Sell stop at 109,603.69. SL. I don't actually know how to calculate the stop loss for BTC, right? So please, if you are trading it, apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management. Please apply proper risk management. Okay, so if you are taking this trade, you need to apply proper risk management. Okay, I'm still repeating. If you are taking this trade, you need to apply proper risk management because it's very, very important. BTC is highly volatile, 194.65. And 108.66801. Okay, so I've given signals on AUD/USD and BTC. Let's see how it works and what happens. So somebody says look at gold, right? We dropped a signal on gold. Gold is very bullish. We're looking at gold to 33420. I'm looking at gold to 3342 before I look towards selling. I've been on the buy in the morning, but I was stopped out. So gold, my ideal place is 3342, this zone, right? So from 3342 to probably 3347 region. So that is that on gold. A signal was dropped. If you have not taken the signal, you can take the buy now. In fact, this is even a good. No. The stop loss is too much. So you can take the buy and probably target the nearest low on 1 minute time frame. So you can target this zone. Let's see. That is about this is about 21 pips. But I'm bullish on gold, right? I'm bullish on gold up to 3342.326 region. Okay, so that is that. Let's look at Euro GBP. Euro GBP. As we trade USD/JPY, I'm kind of bullish on USD/JPY, except if the market says otherwise. Okay, so I said I'm kind of bullish on USD/JPY, except if the market says otherwise, right? So, like I said, I would have loved to use the buy stop order. Right, the market get to 143.325 region, but we never can tell. But if you are hoping to take a trade, I mean AUD/USD and BTC, I dropped a signal on them, sell stop and an instant order. So let's look at Euro GBP and Euro CAF, then we round it up. Euro GBP and Euro CAD. Euro GBP and Euro CAD. Euro GBP and Euro CAD. So let's look at Euro CAD and Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, wow. Guys, are we looking towards selling Euro CAD? Euro CAD is a this is a very sweet sell for me. This is a very sweet sell for me. And I would say the reason why it's a very sweet sell is because we have market at this resistance zone. So market took out this resistance, retrace this one retracement, this another retracement. So another retracement here. Okay. So I'm looking towards selling. Let's take 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, you can see this kind of pattern. Once market reject this level, we sell Euro CAD. So I'm bearish on Euro CAD, but there's no yet entry. There's no yet entry. So I'm bearish on Euro CAD, but I didn't have an entry at the moment, but I'll be looking towards selling Euro CAD, and I'll drop the signal once it is right. So the last one for today is Euro GBP. I was looking at Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, right, on a daily time frame. Euro GBP on a daily time frame. Okay, so we also bearish on Euro GBP as well. I'm looking towards selling Euro GBP. In fact, maybe I should use an instant order. The only issue I'm having is that we are having we're having a retracement. So Euro GBP, I'll leave a sell stop. Sell stop, Euro GBP. I'm not dropping this on 5x group because I don't want to bombard them with signals because of risk and all that. Euro GBP. Euro GBP, sell stop. I mean, let me write it there on the 5x group. Let's see how all of them goes. Euro GBP, sell stop. Euro GBP, sell stop at 0.83886. SL 83947. Okay, so let's see. Oh, please 5 pips. So let me take it higher. Okay. So, okay. Okay, so stop loss 15 pips. CP1 8374724. Then the last one 083513. Okay, so that is that for this afternoon. Somebody said you should repeat gold. Okay, so this is about 37 pips. Okay, so that is that this afternoon. Let's look at gold again and a recap of everything we've done. I gave a signal on AUD USD and I said you should buy instantly and stop loss is around here. So the stop loss is here, right? So that was where we put our stop loss. Let's see what will literally happen on AUD USD. And our target is here, 65202 and the one at the top. So that's that on AUD USD. I also dropped a signal on BTC. I dropped a signal on BTC. Okay, so I dropped a signal on BTC, right? So a sell stop order on BTC. A sell stop order on BTC. Sell stop order on BTC. So let's see how that works out. Then on Euro GBP, like I said, I'm bearish on Euro GBP. I'm bearish on Euro GBP and all that. Okay, so thank you very much. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Okay, so questions. Our Euro GBP is about to be hit. The trade is about to be triggered. So let's look at what will happen. Gold, I've done gold, Mr. Biola. I've done gold. I've done gold several times, right? I've done gold several times. So that's just it. Okay, so thank you very much and have a wonderful afternoon. Please don't forget our 5x. I've shown my chart. Our 5x still continues. And if you have not joined, you are still wasting a lot of time because last week we made above 20% of our trading capital. So we are also moving forward this week. Today is Monday. Signals have been dropped. The gold signal that was dropped in the morning is in profit. And we are looking towards more signals again. Thank you very much, everybody, and have a wonderful trading session. Good afternoon. Euro GBP. Mm-mm. I'm coming. Sorry. Sorry, there's a mistake. There's a mistake on the Euro GBP. I want to re-edit. Our stop loss is 0.84046. 84046. CP1 0.83724, CP2 0.85755 and 3. Okay. Yeah, I've edited it. Thank you very much, everybody. Good afternoon.